Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this cute paper mask out of origami paper. For this activity you need 2 pieces of origami paper, a scissor, and some tape. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the left side of the paper, fold it towards the right side, and you're going to crease it. And you're going to open it, take the top, fold it towards the bottom. Then you're going to open it like a square. You guys can't see. Sorry. You're going to open like a square. Now you're going to flip. Excuse me. We're going to flip both sides to meet at the center. So first we're going to flip the bottom. Take your time. Meet at the center line, and then we're going to crease it, and then we're going to flip the top down, meet at that center line. And we're going to crease it. So when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. And now we're going to open it up. So it should look like a piece of paper with a bunch of lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn it around. And we're going to... So we're going to take this bottom line, crease it, and then we're going to fold it up to meet. So we're going to fold it up, align it with that line right above it, and then crease it. So it should look like this. So it's kind of like an accordion style origami. So we're going to undo that. Then we're going to grab the top. Is this the top fold? We're going to grab this fold here, this crease here. And we're going to also do the same thing. We're going to pinch it together upwards. And we're going to flip it up to meet up at the line right above it, and we're going to crease it. And then we're going to open that up. Now there's a line in between those creases we just made. So what we're going to do is we're going to crease the paper backwards to activate this crease. And we're going to put the paper down on the table, pinch this upwards, and right above this is a line, another crease, and we're going to do the same thing, flip it up, and we're going to crease it at that line. And then we're going to do the same on this thing. So we're going to fold it back, crease it, and we're going to put it flat on the table, and we're going to flip it up to crease it at that exact line. Okay, so now we're going to flip it on its back. We're going to fold the bottom up to that very first line at the bottom. We're going to fold the bottom part of the paper to that line at the very bottom. Then we're going to flip it and do the same. top. We're going to fold the top down to that very first line at the top. And if it's easy for you, I just flip the paper around. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to fold the sides. So it should be like an accordion. So we're going to fold the sides inwards. So we're going to fold the sides in, and we're going to do the same on the opposite side. We're going to fold it in. So when you do that, you should have something that looks like this. And this is the mask part here. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab our second piece of paper and we're going to fold it in half. So we're going to fold the left to the right side of the paper and we're going to crease it. And we're going to grab our scissors and we're going to cut along that crease that we just folded. Okay, so these two pieces of paper is going to be what gives our mask ear loops. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to fold it. We're going to fold it in half. What we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half. So we're going to fold it down in half. And these couple of steps are going to be like really tight folds, like really small tight folds. So I suggest that you guys take your time. So we're going to fold it in half, right? Then we're going to fold part of the bottom up to meet at the center of this line, and then we're going to fold the top, the opposite side in to also meet at the center line. So when you're done, you should have something that looks like this. We're going to do the same on the opposite side. We're going to fold it in half upwards. And then I'm going to fold the bottom halfway, and we're going to crease it. Just make sure that it's an even crease on both sides, and then we're going to do the same on the opposite side. We're going to flip it as well to meet in the center. So when you're done, you should have two pieces of paper that looks like this, and you kind of want to just bend it a little bit. So now we're going to grab our tape. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up those two flabs on the side that we just folded. We're going to grab a small piece of tape. So in the video I watched, you used a double-sided piece of tape, but I don't have a double-sided piece of tape. If you guys have it, you guys can use it. But what you're going to do is you're just going to keep flipping up and folding until you get to the edge of the tape, and that's how you kind of make it double-sided. And we're going to place this on the inside flap of that that we just created. So we're gonna place it going down on this inside, and we're gonna do it on the same on that side. So we're gonna grab a small piece of paper, a small piece of tape. The sticky side is gonna be on your hand, and you're gonna basically just like roll it up until you get to the edge of the tape. Try and do it like small like this, and we're gonna stick it in the middle and then of it, and I'm gonna do one more on the very bottom. So small piece of tape, sticky side is on your hand, and we're gonna roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. So it looks like this, and we're gonna place it down. So once you have your tape on this side of the paper, we're just gonna redo that crease. So flip it and fold it back. If you want to use glue instead of tape, you guys can. Just be mindful that you're gonna have to wait for it to dry. So this process might be a little longer for you if you do decide to use glue, but you can if you want to. So we're gonna take tape again, gonna roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, roll it up, and we're gonna stick it on the right side. And we're doing 3 tape, one at the very top, one at the very bottom, and then a piece in the middle. So I got my tape. We have one at the bottom, and then I'm gonna add one last one for the middle. And we're gonna be careful. My tape came off on my hand. Okay, so when you're done, it should look like this, just like before, except for the sides are secure, and this is the front. So now, on the same side that we just folded the tabs, we're going to apply tape to the very tops, so here, 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 and here. Try having the tape go vertically, so horizontally on the edges, and I'll show you what I mean. So we're going to grab tape again, and we're going to roll it so it's double-sided all around, and we're going to place it vertically like this on the corner of the paper. And I'm going to repeat this step 3 more times. Okay, so we have the glue on, so now it's time to attach. Oh, my phone is trying to, tape is trying to work. Now it's time to attach our ears holders. So this is very sticky. So we're gonna take the very end. I have the flabs. Yeah, I have the flabs facing me. So the places where we folded, where you can see I have it facing me. So I'm gonna take the back that's plain. I'm gonna put it right on top of that tape. Then I'm gonna kind of bend it upwards. We're gonna bend the top up too. And we're gonna, like this, place it right on that glue. So this is what it looks like on that side. And we're going to do the same on the opposite side. So we're going to take the side that's facing us, This time I'm gonna start from the top. The side that you can see the paper is facing us. So we're gonna put the plain side down on the tape. And then we're going to take the bottom and put it down on the tape as well. So when you're done, this is what the back would look like. And then when you turn it around, this is what the front looks like. For today, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys have any questions down below. Don't forget to upload your photos onto Google Classroom, and this is our last Google Classroom activity today, guys. So hopefully I get to see you guys in September when we open back up, okay? Bye, guys.